Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix unable to install Scarlet on your iPhone or iPad. So first, you just need to check your internet connection. So go to your settings here and you can try Wi-Fi or cellular data and make sure that you have the stable internet connection. Now, once done here, you just need to go to general settings and then here, just need to make sure that your software is updated. Go to software update, and if an update button shows up here, just need to tap on update now. And once you've done, go back to general settings, scroll down to the bottom, and select on VPN and device management. From here, make sure that you disconnect or disable your VPN. Now, the another way to fix the issue is by going to your date and time settings. So make sure that you set date and time automatically. So here, make sure to enable or toggle this on. And then go back here to the main settings and go to the screen time option. And then scroll down and select on content and privacy restriction. Make sure that you turn this off. Once you've done, you can now delete the Scarlet app and then restart your device. Once you reopen your device, you can now reinstall the Scarlet app and it should be fixed the issue. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.